pinnacle of man as when he is at play. My name is Russell Makenberg. I am the woodshop assistant for the art department at Flagler College. For me, my experience, when I'm engaged with my work, it releases me somewhat from a material concern about my body, about my environment that I'm working in. Primarily, I draw a lot, and so the wood gives the drawings a three-dimensional aspect. But the wood, because I'm working around it constantly, and it provides material, but I'm also coming to learn the material has its own aspects and contributions. So it's still open-ended. I've always been involved with three-dimensional work, sculpting toys or using wax. So the wood shop is a good fit for me. The material process is working with ideas and materials, ink, pen and ink, brush and ink, actually, sumi. And for some reason, this consistent aspect to my practice has been Post-it notes. So I start with Post-its, and then eventually they grow and become either three-dimensional objects in wood or just multiple Post-its I'll install. I think I had one show there were like 5,000 Post-its on a wall. So I guess it's, I think I have an allergic reaction to mundane. Each Post-it to me is an exploration, and it's an intention to make it different from anything I've ever done, because I think I just don't want to waste the moment exploring combinations of either forms or ideas or relationships, you know, and I think that every day is completely different from the next, so the drawing should be a reflection of that. I think that's the elixir of life, is this, I don't know, I guess change. This is the best job I've ever had. So working here gives me an opportunity to connect with colleagues, but more importantly, I have this community of very excited people that something that I take for granted, knowledge that I take for granted, that I can share, changes their world. It suddenly empowers them, and I think it's probably all about empowerment. This rush I get from empowering people to manipulate their world. Or maybe go on and help someone else to uncover that creativity in themselves. It's the biggest rush, and I highly suggest it to everybody.